So today it is snowing a crazy amount, so I brought my boots and my jacket because I want to see how cold it is right now. Well, not how cold, but how much snow there is. I think this is the most snow I've ever seen. Someone on Instagram said it was 63 centimeters of snow, so I'm gonna go check this out. I don't have a smaller lens, so we'll have to make do with this. Get bundled up. Got my coat up. Okay, so time to go outside. It's kind of dark now. Oh, I don't even have stairs. Wait. Oh my god, hold on. Let me manually focus this. Yep, I am back inside. Oh my god. And that was so cold. Mainly because the snow kept coming into my boots. So, yeah, you can see. Oh my gosh. My socks are covered in snow. Okay, well, that was my adventure of the day. So there's so much snow. Okay, so I am now on a bubble tea run because I'm very cold. Yeah. Thank you. I'll see you again soon. Here's the bubble tea. Okay, so I am now on the way home. And when I drove out yesterday, my car was still buried, so I had to borrow my mom's car. But when I was driving, there was like 3 buses stranded and just abandoned because they were stuck in the snow. And like, I just drove by today and 2 of the buses have left, but there's still 1 more bus stuck. So I'm just like, damn. But like, there's mountains of snow everywhere and it's kind of crazy because I live in Canada, but honestly, lately the snow has not been that much and it's been very mild. Like, there were some winters we went where there was like barely any snow. It was just cold. Anyways. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to vlog my life a bit more, but I really don't do much, so there's not too much to vlog about. So it's honestly gonna just be me mainly talking and like doing just normal everyday stuff because with COVID and everything, I'm mainly just home most of the time, so I'm like enjoying the homebody life. Okay, Okay, so I am finally back home, and then by the time I got home, I realized I was supposed to go to the bank and I was supposed to go to Shoppers to get something. And now that I'm home, I really don't want to drive again just because it's snowing and whatever. So I'm going to save that for another day. And I'm just going to enjoy my bubble tea. I got the hazelnut cream tea. I also got a lychee jelly. I like to munch on it. But touching back about wanting to vlog my life more often, it's 2022 and in the beginning of the year I was just thinking about what I want to do and all the stuff that I said I would want to do, but I always like hesitated and I didn't really do it. One, because I was really hesitant and shy about doing it because I didn't know how others would react, and like I guess I put it off and procrastinated about it, saying like, oh, I'm really not that interesting, there's nothing going on, or like, you know, I'll do it later, and like the timing wasn't right. And even though it's not gonna be great now and everything, I just figured I'd go ahead and just go for it. And it may not be great now, but it'll improve later with transitions, editing, the content I'm filming, whatever. And I thought I would just give it a shot, and I still feel really shy about it now, especially the way I look when I talk on camera. I don't know, I get really insecure about that, but I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm just gonna try to be as consistent and posting as often as I can. I'm gonna try once a week, but I don't know how well that will go because I really don't do much. So I'm gonna be thinking about something. So I'll try and do more than just my vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I feel so shy right now. Store because I'm trying to make some pasta and grab some stuff. And she should have
Line 1 please, meet line 1.
picked up a basket, but I was only grabbing a few things, so I didn't really feel like it. Okay, grab some Alfredo sauce. Okay, and now I have everything I need. Something from DAVIDSTEA a while ago. Well, not even that long ago, pretty recent. The shipping was pretty fast. But anyways, I finally got my order, so I thought I would show you guys. So I got this mug and tea infuser, and it's thermal. So let's see. But apparently these trees that are like metallic or something are supposed to like turn a different color. That's so cute. Yeah, and I got some teas. Okay, let me pull it up. Like, can't even remember my order. I got some teas because they were having a sale, so it was like 20-30% off. And so I got the Just Peachy tea. I've never tried these teas before, so I don't know, this was just for fun. This is the confetti cupcake. I like already teared it open, but I haven't tried it yet. I just, for some reason, just ripped off the top. I think I did try this before, but like, it might have been back in middle school, so like 10 years ago, so I don't really remember the taste. And then I got this, which is the strawberry moringa superfood berry bursts. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got, because I don't know, I think it's exciting to see what people buy. And I usually tell one of my friends what I get, and whenever she asks me what my thoughts are, or like for me to show her what I get, she says it takes me like 5 business days to get back to her about it. And I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I get packages, I like leave them in a corner and I forget about them for a few days or something. And then like spontaneously out of nowhere, I'm like, oh wait, I have a package, I can open it. Like, am I the only one that does that? Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So I am on my way to Home Depot because I have to pick up some white paint for my dad who wants to paint the doors. Okay, maybe I went in through the wrong side. Okay. Getting shaken up. So I secured the paint. This was kind of expensive, more than I thought it'd be. It was $50 and then they gave me some other stuff that I'm not sure it's for. So yeah, now it's time to go home. So thanks for watching. I was supposed to post this a while ago, but then I lost all my footage and I had to re-edit everything and I kind of lost some footage, which is why the transitions were kind of choppy for some parts. But I hope you enjoyed, and here's some keyboard typing ASMR for you guys. If you guys want more, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!